How to use vanilla gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan, and today I'll guide you on how you can use your vanilla gift card online. Well, first thing first, can you use your vanilla gift card online? Well, yes, it is possible. However, what you need to confirm is that the platform you want to use it on does accept Visa debit cards. Keep in mind that you can only use the loaded amount on your vanilla gift card. To use your vanilla gift card, just make sure you have the gift card number and the security code. Then you can use it like a standard debit or credit card. So all you have to do is first you'll have to activate your gift card. To do so, you'll have to head into balance.vanillagift.com, the website that is shown up right on your page right here on the screen. Then you want to enter in your card number and details, and then tap on continue and go ahead and tap on activate button. You'll also need the 4-digit PIN. You'll have to create it like you will do for a normal ATM card. So once you have done so, you're good to go. Then there is nothing special or difficult about using a vanilla gift card to make transactions online. It's simply how you use your regular Visa cards for online payments. For instance, if you're trying to make a purchase on certain website using the gift card, on the payment process, you'll have to select the option Visa gift card as your payment process and punch in your vanilla card details in the payment section like the card number, expiration date and CVV code. Input your name and address in the billing address section. Proceed to complete the transaction. Once the payment is successful, the checkout amount will be deducted from your current vanilla gift card balance. So this is how you can do so. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.